Welcome. Let me quickly show you how to make your subscription private or public. So here is the easiest way to do that. If you go to youtube.com, right, make sure that you are signed in, and you have to go scroll down. Either you follow this way, scroll down and go for settings, okay, or you click on your profile picture here and go to settings, or go through the settings as well. So I will go for that settings, and that will take me to another interface. So here we go for privacy here, privacy, and here you can see that my subscription is public. When you toggle it again, when I toggle it again, it is now private. Your changes were saved, so it is now private. If I toggle it back, it is public now. But let's go to my channel. Let me show you one thing you should know about this. So let me go back and go to, have to choose this option, your channel. And so let's get there and see what we have. So here, when you come to your home page, you will see these channels. Just click on that channels. As you can see, because my subscription is public, that is why, you know, I'm able to see all these channels that I am subscribed to, okay, as you can see. But if we go back and make it private, let's see if we can see it. I will go for settings, and that will take me to where I should go for privacy. So now I will toggle it to make it private, toggled, and your changes were saved. I will go back again, click on that profile picture, and go select the option your channel. Okay, here we go. So let me click on that channels again. As you can see, this channel does not feature any other channels. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. Remember, when you toggle it and the color changes to blue, that means it is private. But when you toggle it back and the color changes to black, that means your subscription is public. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Remember to hit that red subscribe button